Welcome back to our channel, where we discover the latest tips and tricks for Gmail users. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily mark multiple emails as read with a simple right-click in the new Gmail update for PC. So let's dive right in. First, open up your Gmail account by visiting gmail.com. Take a moment to navigate to your inbox where you can see all of your unread emails waiting for your attention. Now, here comes the fun part. Next, select the emails you want to mark as read by checking the boxes next to them. You can choose as many emails as you need with just a couple of clicks. Once you have your selection ready, it's time to perform the magic trick. Right-click on any of the selected emails to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Look for the envelope icon among the choices and give it a click. This action will instantly mark all the selected emails as read, saving you valuable time and effort. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your inbox by marking multiple emails as read with a quick right-click. Say goodbye to the hassle of individually opening and marking emails. This new feature is a game changer. Thank you for tuning in today. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more Gmail tips and tricks. Until next time, happy emailing.